Hi, so we are going to have a short video here. Here I would like to show work on a auto-completion feature for the bubbline input editor. So in the previous video, you may have seen already that the bubbline editor had a simple autocomplete facility. Like if you press the tab key here, you will now, like before already, you had like a text that was printed with a list of completions that you could use. And one of the words that you knew how to complete was hello, or you could ask for the first article of the Declaration of Human Rights. And so the idea in the first implementation would be that the callback that would be invoked upon the tab key would return just one string or a maximum of one string. But in the CockroachDB shell, what we would like to have is incremental completion, where you see here there's a list of words, and we want that if the user starts to type some of the characters, we are going to tell them the list of words that match only that prefix, but also start typing in the characters that are shared across all the completions. So what do we mean by this? If you look, for example, at the start string RA, there is just two words that start with RA, and those two words both happen to contain additional letters A and GE. So if a user types in RA, even though we still have two possible candidates, we still would like to save the user time by pre-completing the common prefix A and GE. Likewise, if we start typing REC, there are two words that match here, recurring and recursive, and both of them have CUR in common. And so after they type REC and we press tab, we want the UR as well to be completed. And so that's what we did here. So if you see RA, the list of completion that's printed now includes only the two words, and the range word now is pre-completed. And then here, the user can choose to either press a space to accept this word or S and then tab, and that will accept the word ranges. Same applies for these words. REC, tab key, we list the candidate words here, and we pre-complete the common prefix here. And that's a new feature here. So if I type RE, I will get a list of completion for RE, but because there is no longer a common prefix than RE, because we have REA and REC, the autocompleter cannot do anything. So it has to stop at RA. If we press C, then we have more. So that's the main feature. An additional thing you may have seen already is that if I type my text in small letters, like say read, and I press the tab key, because it's a word in the dictionary, it will rewrite the word. So what the completion does really is that it will look at the list of candidate completions, and then it will also look at the prefix that was matched across all the words, and it rewinds the cursor before that inserting the common prefix. So if I start R, say R, small r, capital E, small c, capital U, and I press that key, the common prefix is RECUR. If I press that key, it will rewind to the R, then rewrite the rest. And that's how we see the recurring here. So don't assume that the completions have to be in capitals. Like this is, for this demonstration, I chose a dictionary of SQL keywords starting with R. But as you've seen before, the completion can also contain lowercase, for example, the hello world text or the lorem ipsum text, which also contains just small characters. That's fine. So here we are. That's our completion work for today. And the feature will be uploaded to the bubbline repository in a second. So thank you for watching.